Hi, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. And thank you for this beautiful day. I love you.
I love you so much. Hi, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. I love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Thank you for working countless hours just to provide for us. I ask that God please give you good health for the rest of your years, and that you continue to lead us for the rest of our lives.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for everything that you have done for us. Thank you for being a loving and amazing dad.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Thank you for everything that you do in this family. Thank you for always going above and beyond for each and every one of us. Thank you for the ultimate sacrifice that you made to move to this country so that we can have better opportunities to strive within. And thank you for always leading us in the right path. We love and appreciate you so much. Happy Father's Day.
Hey Dad, happy Father's Day. On behalf of all us kids, I'd like to wish you a great happy Father's Day. Thank you for everything that you've done, everything that you've sacrificed to give us kids a better life, more opportunities. I'd like to thank you for helping us to grow into hopefully good people, for helping us to grow up with God, teaching us our priorities, and for being with us every step of the way. And I pray that you may get to spend many more years with us kids, and you may see us grow up and give something back to you. Thank you.
Manuia tele le aso tamai sia upele to anga whainga luenga tau sia ia o matamaiti ai tu ulo via pepe. Wa whai mau masa nilu tumo muilungo o Facebook mata utanga tele le aion tatou mea ai. Wa tili ai le tele o le au fonga o mi leo te vai atu e lau inbox o mele mai. Awe te toe matanana i tene palalangi lau ngaluenga e te oti ai o lima wangana ua o wawe isu atua lau tu si tea. Wa tala ula lava ai oe lava o le best. Li iele li imo oe le pele. We love and appreciate you always. Happy Father's Day, babe.
Happy Father's Day, Uncle. I love you so much.